Drones hidden in remote-controlled sheds. How Ukraine's spider's web damaged Russian warplanes. The ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine sharply ramped up on the eve of peace talks between the two countries. According to reports, Sunday's drone attack was one of the biggest by Ukraine, blowing up a Russian highway bridge over a passenger train and an attack on nuclear-capable bombers deep in Siberia. At least 7 people were killed, while 69 others were injured when the highway bridge was blown up over a passenger train heading to Moscow with 388 people on board. Later, Ukraine's domestic security agency, the SBU, acknowledged that it carried out the operation, codenamed Spider's Web, and said it had caused considerable damage. Ukrainian spies hid drones in wooden sheds. According to a Ukrainian security official, the country's secret services were able to attack strategic bomber aircraft at Russian air bases by hiding explosive-laden drones inside the roofs of wooden sheds. The sheds were loaded onto trucks that were driven to the perimeter of the air bases. The roof panels of the sheds were lifted off by a remotely activated mechanism, allowing the drones to fly out and begin their attack, news agency Reuters quoted the official as saying, adding that the strikes were conducted on 4 air bases, and that 41 Russian warplanes were hit. The operation, according to the Ukrainian security official, was personally overseen by President Zelensky and Vasyl Malyuk, head of the SBU domestic intelligence agency. If confirmed, the strikes would be the most damaging Ukrainian drone attack of the war and would be a significant setback for Moscow. Also read: Russian strike at training site kills 12 Ukrainian soldiers, Army commander resigns. The estimate. Domagene SBU statement posted on Telegram messaging app estimated the damage caused by the assaults at 7 billion. 34% of strategic cruise missile carriers at the main airfields of the Russian Federation were hit, the SBU said on the Telegram messaging app. Zelensky hails OUTCOME. On Telegram, President Zelensky expressed delight at the absolutely brilliant outcome of the operation, and called it an outcome produced by Ukraine independently. Zelensky also noted that the operation had taken more than a year and a half to prepare. This is our longest-range operation, he said. Speaking shortly afterwards in hhis nightly video address, the president noted that 117 drones had been used to attack the Russian bases and that Russian forces suffered very tangible losses, and justifiably so. Zelensky said the SBU had set up a nerve center for the operation right next to a regional office of Russia's FSB intelligence service. Swipe left for next video. All operatives taking part had been brought out of Russia on the eve of the operation, he said. Also read: Russia confirms Ukrainian drone attack on military aircraft, suspects detained. Latest blogs.